Ooh, not sure. Stop! No touch! Electricity is for grown-ups. Help, please! I play far away. No touch. Stay far. No touch. Stay far. What's this? Ooh, what's in here? Wow, matches! What is this? Huh? Oh, it went out. Why? Ouch! Ouch! It hurts. It hurts. Fire. Hurts. Don't play with fire, kids. It can really hurt you. Careful. 2 hands. Oops. Accident. Whoa. Stop. Slippery. Uh-oh, towel time. Wipe. All dry. Ooh, what's that? Hot. No touch! 1, 2, 3. Wait, cool down. Whoo! Cool! Warm now. Now it's time to sip. Wait, then sip. Bye-bye. I will play with it a little. The iron is hot. My hand is burnt. It hurts a lot. Beware of getting close to the iron. I am fine, do not worry. But be careful, do not get close to the iron. Oh no. It's okay, my teddy. I'll clean you. There. All clean, Teddy. In my elbow. Teddy is clean. Sneeze in your elbow. Bye-bye.